Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you had a great weekend. This is Patrick at Bobster Eyewear, and today I wanted to just clarify a few things regarding our lifetime warranty and give you some information on how you can go about taking advantage of that if you need to. Prior to me coming on, you saw a few videos of our lenses going through the ringer, getting run over, hit with a hammer, hit with a weight, and those lenses, if you notice, did not shatter, and they're not going to shatter when they're on your face either. So if you catch a rock going 80 miles an hour down the freeway, or if you catch a grinding wheel to the face, I can't speak about what happens to your face, but I know your eyes are going to be protected. Now, if something does happen that's defective on your item, for instance, one of the arms breaks off, or there's a crack happens in the frame, or something happens to the nose piece in the middle comes off or breaks for whatever reason, all you need to do to take advantage of the warranty is to send us a picture. So you can go on our website, hit the contact us, give us some information, we'll reply, you send us a picture of what broke, and we'll send you a brand new pair for free. It doesn't cost you anything. Now, if you do what we did to the lenses, or you catch a rock at 80 miles an hour and the lenses get scratched or broken or gouged out or something like that from a grinding wheel or whatever you're doing with them, that's not covered. We do not cover the lenses. That's on you. You did that today. It's not a defect. That's a user not taking care of their product or something that saved your eye. So I just wanted to give that information out there, let everybody know our warranty, what it is, how it works. All you need is a picture. Hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Take care.